How can I improve the efficiency of my supply chain?
I want tighter financial control of my supply chain.
What supply chain system will most benefit my manufacturers, distributors, and retailers?
To answer these questions, let's make a product, like a household grill, for example. So you have to start from square one with gathering raw materials like steel, rubber, paint. The list goes on. Then you have to track those to their respective warehouses where they can be shipped to manufacturing facilities, where labor hours and many other variables are put into the equation. After which, you'll have to store your product in distribution centers where warehouse employees track your inventory on multiple platforms and wireless devices, validating the location, item, and quantity in real time, and timestamping each activity all the way to the retail store. And what happens if there's a hiccup along the way and you have to trace it back to its origin? Well, what if we told you that there's a simple solution that brings all of these variables together? RF Smart tracks all of your times and materials and improves your inventory accuracy. So how about a 40% bump in productivity from your current staff? How about almost 100% inventory and order packing accuracy? And how about a payback on your company's investment within 1 year? These results are real for people using RF Smart. RF Smart is certified from Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 and has been since version 4.0. We are seamlessly integrated inside Microsoft Dynamics AX. You can count on RF Smart to deliver a package that is tested, documented, and supported from a company whose product is used in over 30 countries across 6 continents. If you like these numbers, check us out on our website at ax.rfsmart.com.